to another video. So today we have some more Unbroken bonds. So we're searching for that Rainbow Rare Rusher Raymond Charizard card. We got
the GX version, right?
The
full art,
yeah.
Which that was a good one, but
yeah.
we got some more hunting to do. So let's go on and just get to it.
Let's get into these.
I think it's 4. Alright, so that's fairy energy. Drought. Nothing. Another green pack.
Let's see what's in this white pack. Rainbow Rare Chest.
Keep saying it. Keep saying it. It's reverse. Nope.
Oh,
It's a slow, bro. Oh man, I didn't get sleeves. Failed. It's okay. Oh, here we go. Here's a white code. Haunter, Crocorock, Beast Bringer, Porygon, Froakie, Aaron, Seal, Bellsprout.
Rainbow Rare Charizard Mushroom. Rainbow Rare Charizard Mushroom.
Oh! Celesteela. Do we have this one?
No,
we have it from...
GX. The GX version.
But that is a nice one right there. Look at that.
Ooh.
It's a little off-centered though.
Pretty cool card.
But we will take it.
First Rainbow Rare of the video, guys.
Fourth pack, is that right?
Yeah, fourth pack.
Let's put that back in. We hadn't even got to the Charizard packs yet. Oh, there's a green one. Chip Ice Axe, Tyro, Janine, Spritzy, Doduo, Rhyhorn, Meltan, Spearow, here comes reverse,
Rainbow Rare
Salazzle,
Rainbow Rare Charizard Mushroom, Rainbow
Kartana.
Ultra Beast. That actual Ultra Beast is about this small. And even less.
How small?
Like around this small in the series compared to Ash, which is about my size.
We're gonna save these for last. Another green code. Garbage. Get something. Something. Maybe lost something. Maybe it's Charizard because you know it's Dust Island, Golbat, Tentacruel, Jigglypuff, Krabby, Riolu, Esper, Porygon. Here comes the reverse.
Rainbow Red
Welder.
Charizard and Reshiram. Rainbow Red Charizard and Reshiram. Rainbow Red Charizard.
Oh, Blastoise. It's not a bad one there. Look at that.
Wow, not too bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
Pretty good on the centering there. It's a little leaning to the left side. To the left, to the left.
So person.
All right, so now we're only going to get Charizard out of the Charizards. Okay, so that's a white code. Green code.
So
Okay.
we know that one might have
So
it. This one not.
nothing's going to get in this one. Sandile. Yeah, nada. Here we go. You know how we say, Ethan, last pack magic. That's what I hit the Pikachu last time. Charizard Reshiram. Charizard Reshiram. Charizard Reshiram.
Rainbow Rare Charizard.
Keep saying it.
Rainbow
Keep
Rare
saying it.
Charizard.
Tentacle. Ultra Force.
Rainbow
Cart.
Rare
Tin
Charizard.
Boy.
Rainbow
Carvana. Litten.
Rainbow
Clefairy.
Charizard.
Seal.
Rainbow
I don't know. I can see something up there.
Rainbow Rare Charizard Reshiram. Rainbow Rare Charizard Reshiram. Rainbow Rare Charizard.
Nah. Arcanine. Wah.
Alright guys, so we got some pretty good pulls, but also some pretty bad ones. Not really worth it money-wise.
More bad than anything.
Yeah.
We didn't win our money back even with a Rainbow Rare, and we got a Slowbro, Arcanine, Cortana, and a Blastoise GX, and then a Celesteela.
Celesteela.
GX? Yeah. None of these made it worth it. So, Unbroken Bonds has not been so nice as of
I
late.
mean, we did get that full art Charizard and Reshiram.
Yeah, but next, Champions Path. Sorry. Alright guys, well make sure you guys like and subscribe. We'll be back with Champions Path when we hunt for Charizard, both of them. The Rainbow Rare and
that shiny one,
the
bro.
shiny. We're gonna get it. We got,
Quite a bit.
I don't know, we got enough chances. So let's give it a shot. We'll see you later.
Peace. I love y'all.